Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas Darrell Polk. I'm a photographer, videographer, and I've caught some images today. I hope you like them. Please leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Your feedback is always welcome. Take care, and happy shooting if you're a photographer. If you're not a photographer, videographer, record your life. I think it's so important that we can go out with our smartphones and we can capture images and videos, preserve our history, and tell our stories for future generations. Please join me.